Here, let's go back.
Hey YouTube, what's up guys? This is Charlie and today unboxing. Most of these products are for the 1, 2 and 3 series of the Apple Watches. Genuine leather. It's from Amazon, and this has 4.5 star rating on Amazon, so that's pretty good. So this is from a company called SUNKOng. Again, 4-star rating. And again, one of the things I'm going to tell you guys is this: I'm going to give these away because I do have an Apple Watch at hand, so I'm gonna give these away. So let's go ahead and open these bad babies up really quick. Nice box, nice presentation. Oh yeah, we go. You can see it right here, SUNKOng, the high-end smartwatch band. So these are really good finish, guys. Check this out. Really nice finish. This one comes in 2 colors, black and brown. So we have the brown right here. It comes in 2 different sizes, 38mm and 42mm for your bigger hands. And the price on this one is $22.99. And this one is $18.99. It comes in 2 shades of black. We have the black and red, which is what we have here. So the red is the red stitching on there, which is really good. And you also have the black and brown, so it will be the black with brown stitching. Really nice. Smell like real leather. This is real leather. This is real genuine leather. Really nice, flexible, really nice. Again, I'm gonna give these away. I don't want to take it out of the box, so I'm gonna give these away to one of my subscribers that have an Apple Watch. Tell me you have an Apple Watch, and we'll figure out a way to get that to you. So these guys have a series of nice, beautiful leather made. It look like handmade, hand sewn on there products, and it starts from, some of them start from $6 all the way up to below $20. So you cannot go wrong on that. Again, I will leave all the link and the description for you guys down below. Check it out. And again, if you have an Apple Watch, let me know. These products will be yours. This is Charlie. Like and subscribe. I'm out.